day 3 in Istanbul, and we're going to go and visit a tower today and go on a boat ride hopefully. But before that, Celine's going to tell you some interesting facts about Istanbul.
So Istanbul has 3,000 mosques. It's never hosted the Olympics despite the fact that it's one of the biggest cities. Lots of people think that Istanbul is the capital, but it's actually a place called Ankara. It's one of the top 10 most visited cities, and it's a really cool place to visit.
So we're heading to a tram stop, got to somehow buy a ticket, and then off we go to the Galata Tower, hopefully. So it's 23 minutes from start to end. Ticket bought, which was a rigmarole. Thankfully some geezer was waiting there helping us out. And here is the tram.
Yeah, that's right.
Packed beyond belief. But what can we do? Hang on. So we were standing there, and these young lads here said we could have the seats because we were tourists. How nice are they? Thank you, thank you. We made it. That's alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, those guys are really friendly on the tram.
Yeah, they were. So now, 10-minute walk to, you can see it's just poking a bit there, Galata Tower. The only problem is, to get to it, we've got to climb up these bloody hills. We've already climbed up some steps down there. But there is where we're heading.
Rapunzel Tower.
Yeah, it's like a Rapunzel Tower. And you can buy all the little statues of it, or a fridge magnet with it on. But as usual, a queue. Let's join it. Celine's sorting the tickets. There we go. Now we can go. So this tower was originally a watchtower, and then it became like a fire observation tower, and ironically it then burnt down because it caught fire. And now it is a like tourist attraction and like an exhibition hall in the museum. But the most interesting thing about it was this guy back in the day, he donned some eagle feathers, made some pretend wings, launched himself from the top and flew right across the water and landed over the other side. And because of that feat of danger, the local sultan gave him a massive bag of gold coins saying, this man is a scary man, if he could do that he can do anything, so I'm going to pay him off.
Was his
There
name
you go.
Icarus?
Interesting facts about the Galata Tower.
Was his name Icarus?
No, it wasn't Icarus.
It was used as a prison too.
It was used as a prison. Finally made it inside. Look at this model of Istanbul. Not sure why they're on the raised bits. Good view. Celine's phone takes like fake pictures. Look at the sky colour compared to the actual colour.
You jealous?
I'm a bit jealous. So each floor, I think there's 11 floors, has like different bits. So here are the pots and little cell blocks. No soup for you today. You've been bad today. So this graphic computer game is recreating his flight. So let's see if this guy can do it. Did you enjoy it in the tower?
Yeah, it's good.
It was worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And now we're in the gift shop. So we're going to walk across the bridge and maybe find a boat tour. Let's see. I think I've walked by lines of fishermen just like this all over the place, and I've never seen one of them catch a fish. Until now, maybe. Is this it? Oh, no. Almost on the other side, just looking at this amazing mosque. It's not any that we've been in already, but it's still amazing. So I'm going to spot a lunch in this place, but look, even here, a beautiful building from the past in Istanbul, and the bread is delicious. Impressed?
Yeah.
The meal was really nice, and it cost 200 lira. So we're just walking to try to get a ferry. But look at this grand building. What is it, Celine? What's this building? She doesn't know.
It's the PTT of Istanbul.
There you go, post office from 1909. We have found 75 lira, so that's 75 lira. Celine's worked out the conversion rate in her head.
About 750.
What? What?
I don't know.
So we got the boat tour really easily. Just walked up, rocked up, found it, 75 lira, which is about £3.60 each. And here we are on a Bosphorus tour. Enjoying yourself? A lot of amazing buildings. Look at that on the European side. Just come to the lower deck and look what we're passing. It's like a massive Turkish castle. We knew nothing about.
Yeah, but like because there's so many buildings to see, half of them they probably just don't like really advertise.
And it's annoying actually because we passed loads of palaces, and I just decided to check one out at random, and it was the palace where the last sultan was under house arrest until he died. We passed it, didn't even know. Anyway. Cannot believe how busy this is. It reminds me of Tokyo. And here we are, room 201 of the Interstar Hotel, Sultan Hamid. Quite a small room, you can't even get the door open properly because the suitcase is there, but we've got a balcony. Nice bathroom. What do you think of this room?
It's really nice, but it's incredibly small, and the AC is fierce.
Yeah, and it's such a cold AC, but look, you get one single sheet, I'm not joking, that is all there is. So we're here at the airport, about to fly to Tbilisi, so we're going to say goodbye to Turkey and Istanbul. But what were your top things then from Istanbul?
Top things from Istanbul were Hagia Sophia, because it was very beautiful inside, and it was actually free to enter, and we didn't have to queue for a really long time, but I did lose you in there, which wasn't good. And then the other top thing was the Galata Tower, because again we didn't have to queue for very long, and it used to be used as a prison, so it was very interesting. And we got some nice pictures there. And just walking around Istanbul, looking at all the really cool buildings. It's just like soaked in culture and history. It's really cool.
There you go. So that is goodbye from Istanbul.